Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video and a view into Huck's World. And yes, as I said earlier in the intro, there's going to be a giveaway for this watch face. It's going to be 9 winners in all, but unfortunately it's only going to be for the US. I didn't get any for the international people, but trust me, we're going to have another giveaway. So just be patient and stay tuned. All right, with that being said, now Sam's watch, the guy gets down. He's phenomenal. He does great work on watch faces. This one here is no exception, but let's go ahead. Let's take a closer look at this watch face. First of all, there's going to be 2 watch faces that's going to be given away. This one is an analog look, and I love analog. And then he has one that's going to be digital, and the digital looks just as good as the analog watch face. Now that gave me an opportunity to give away one more watch face, which is cool with me. All right, with that being said, let's check out this watch face. Now, if you look up at the top, you will get the name of the watch face and also the developer. And then you're going to get your month, the day of the week, and you're going to get your date. You come down in the big dial, and I like this. You got your step information. Now, the watch is definitely geared toward fitness, which is nice. And you're going to get your step info. As you can see, I haven't been anywhere, right? And then you're going to get your step goal completed as well. So when this circle completes, that means you have made your goal if you set it. Now, also, this is going to be a 24-hour watch face based off of the format that you set on your smartphone. So this is going to be the analog clock, right? Which I like. I like analog. And this is going to let you know how much into the night we are. It's letting you know that we have a crescent moon, which is cool. And down at the bottom, you're going to get some more of your step status info, like calories burned, of course, your floors climbed, and your heart rate information. Now, it is interactive. As you can see in the middle, that's going to be your S Health. With a single tap, you're going to be able to go into your heart rate, your sleep, how many minutes you walked or ran, check out your stress, calories burned, coffee, water intake, things of that nature. I thought this was pretty cool for a watch face. Definitely it's a casual dressed down watch face, and you can customize the color, and it has many different color combinations as well. So let's double tap here and just cycle through some of the watch face colors that you're going to be getting when you download this watch face. All right, and I thought this was pretty cool. Just cycle through all of them, and they all look nice, especially in person. The video isn't going to do it justice, but my man, he got down on this one. For a casual dressed down watch face, analog and digital, this is nice. All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative, and if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And as always, I will see you all again at the next video. Take care.